What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is 19-year-old with a warrant decides to run her mouth. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about here.
Pulling that car in front of you a little close, that's all it is. Not a big deal, it's just raining, so you got to stay back a little bit. You got your license with you? You stay in Alabama or you stay over here? Okay. Did you have your ID on you by chance? You don't have it? What's your name? Huh? What's your last name? Huh? I'm just asking. I'm out with you guys. So. Well, you got the registration insurance? Pull in this parking lot so we don't get hit by a car. You can look it up on your phone and I'll check back with you in a second, okay? You good?
I had a little piece of paper. It was an Allstate card, but it was
step back here for me. I don't like you jumping out of the car. You got any weapons on you? All right, face that way. Can I pat your whip down for weapons real quick? Huh? You ain't got no weapons on you? You got a medical card? Huh? I smell a little bit of weed. It's not a huge deal, but I don't want you to lie to me.
There ain't no weed. I smell the business.
Stand right here. You got anything on her? I'll go hang it right hard. What's her last name? Tristan?
What happened?
Come back here. Take your hands out of your pocket for me.
What's going on?
You've been requested to get out of the vehicle. That's what's going on.
I just know what happened. Nobody told me what happened or why.
It'll be explained to you in just a few.
Yes, sir.
What's her last name? She's going to get it or she's going to go to jail. You don't even know who it is?
I know the last name.
That makes sense. Well, this is going to go about it. I'm going to make it as easy on y'all as it is, y'all make it on me. So you make it difficult on me, I promise you I ain't going to help you out. I'm fixing to. You have any ID on you at all? Okay, what's your last name? Yeah, I'm going to explain it to you once, and you refuse at that point, then you're going to go to jail, okay? The car smells like weed. He doesn't have a medical marijuana card, so I'm fixing to search the car.
But it's not mine.
It doesn't matter. So you can either provide your name or you can go to jail. It doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
What's your last name? What's your first name?
Got a handful going on there.
You want to act?
Oh! Whoa! Get her together, boy. Get her together.
I'm asking a fool, bro. Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
Relax.
Can you please stop?
Nope. Not until you stop.
Oh, you don't want to act right, huh? Okay. They gonna get you together, boy. One way or another, they gonna get you together. You better act right. You better act right. Act like you got some common sense now. I know you're only 19, but you better tighten up, man. Listen, this all spiraled when the driver got out and started searching for something under the seat. Look, honestly, I don't know about you, but me, I'm always calm, cool, collected. I'm not making subtle movements, none of that. When I'm dealing with the police in a traffic situation or any type of situation, honestly, you know what I'm saying? So that's the last thing you want to be doing right now. You got to be paying attention to your surroundings. You around all the cops and everybody, man. Listen, don't be making no subtle movements. No, that's the wrong time to be searching for something up under the seat. I'm telling you, I don't care if you drop the pen, whatever the case may be. You don't get out and start ruffling up underneath the seat. And then that turned into, oh, I smell this and that. Oh, you got a card? Oh, what's her name? That's how things start rolling downhill. And, guys that are smokers and stuff like that, man, you guys got to really watch that stuff, because a lot of times people just smoking at home, or, people do smoke in the car and stuff like that, which I don't know why. But, if you smoking at home, remember that stuff still gets on your clothes. That stuff still gets on your clothes. It smells like smoke. So You may not be able to smell it because you are a smoker. But to a non-smoker, which, you know, a lot of the cops are and stuff like that or whatever, they're non-smokers. So they're going to be able to smell that stuff easily. And that's the number one way that they're going to be able to search your car.
Please, I'm like, how y'all hurting me?
Yeah, well, that's not really the point, but you want to show your ass, so.
I don't show my ass, y'all hurting me. Y'all
Stop it.
just grab me. No, like, I'll grab me. Like,
Are you done running your mouth? Because I'm done listening.
If you stop, please. If you please stop.
Have you ever been searched by female law enforcement before?
No.
Okay.
I'm just confused.
Well, I'm confused too, because when my partner over here is asking you for information and all of a sudden you start tensing up, pulling away from him, then we're going to take that as acts of
He told me she had a 39.
Oh.
39.
Oh, so you have a warrant.
What's 39? That's
You have a warrant.
For what?
I don't know. We're about to find out, though.
That's why I went to put hands on you, and you decide you're going to act a fool, and you got jumped. I don't have to. No, I do not. You were being I don't know what your warrant is for, but you had a warrant. Yes, I can. And I did. I lawfully can.
Yep, we lawfully can detain you until we figure out what the warrant's for.
But-
So now you finna catch probably another charge.
For what?
For obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Look at that. Showing your ass again.
Yes. What? What's that?
For disorderly conduct. When was last? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know what
I don't know.
I don't either. Here.
And it's going to charge you for resisting as well.
Why?
Because we had to go hands-on with you.
Because I didn't know what the fuck
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, though. You let us do our job, and then you don't end up face down on the ground.
Well, I don't know what I'm being arrested for. I didn't even know that I had a warrant or nothing.
Well, okay,
like,
so you do. So until you
Now
know
I do.
what's
No,
going
now I
on,
do. Now I
because
do.
you know these handcuffs go on just as easy as they come off.
Yeah.
So she has no idea what that warrant is for.
No, I don't. I have no idea why I have a warrant. I don't even know what that. Like, I don't even know what that charge is.
I don't know. It's a simple
I
charge.
didn't even know I had a warrant.
It wasn't worth all that.
Well, I didn't even know. That's
Why didn't you
I've
want to
never
give your
been-
name
I
then?
don't ever get in trouble because this is weird. Like, I never get in trouble with nothing. So like, this is my first thing ever getting like.
I guess you did it right.
I'm in college. So like I don't know.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. Well, I mean, you got to go to jail now. Even if you didn't have a warrant, you still can't.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why? I don't.
Because you can't resist
But I didn't know.
police.
Oh,
Well, if he tells you to turn around, put your hands behind your back, we can detain you just on the plain smell of marijuana.
Hey. Just lean up against it, okay?
November?
Yeah, so 2 months, a month and a half ago. What'd you do?
The only other thing I can think of is whenever we were the cops had pulled up whenever I was living at Santa Villa on West Avenida.
Were you part of that fight with the dogs and all that?
I was the one that pulled the dog.
That
Remember?
makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, well, I don't understand why I got that. I don't understand why I got that though.
It came out as a 19, and apparently there's a bunch of dogs involved, and then you were chasing after a person, and somebody chased that.
No, I was just pulled up.
It wasn't between you and Kayla?
Huh?
Kayla Hudson?
No.
Okay.
Me and Lauren, yes.
Lauren, okay.
I remember she was choking
Lauren
dogs,
Ballard.
and I pulled the dog off of her, and she came at me, and I came at her. But nobody had swung on each other or nothing, or nobody hit anybody.
Okay.
So I don't get why I'm in trouble for that though.
I don't know, dear. I wasn't there. I heard about it, but I wasn't there.
What's gonna happen? Like I'm gonna just sit in jail for?
It's probably it's a second-degree misdemeanor, disorderly conduct.
You have another misdemeanor now.
For what?
Obstruction.
So what? I'll probably get probation or some shit.
You won't even probably get probation for something like that.
What happened?
You're going to jail now, and then you'll have a bond for. You should have a bond for both of them.
And then once you bond out, then you're good to go.
But what if I can't bond out? Like I don't
know. This cop look like he ready to ask her on a date or something. This dude really like. I think I'm watching it and I'm like, part of me is like, maybe he looks at her like, man, this could be my daughter or something, But then like, I'm looking at the eyes and stuff and like, obstruction and like Mr. Cool. I'm like, is he trying to hit on her? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, obviously not on camera and stuff like that, but he could be setting the plays in motion for like, maybe somewhere down the line he might run into her. Cause listen, I don't know what this is, but this sounds like maybe some small town stuff. And they all go to the same places. They go to the same grocery stores. They go to the same bars. You know, listen, let's not get it confused. Just because the cops, you know, are town cops or whatever, you still gonna see them at the bar on their day off and stuff like that. Like, it's not like, so I don't know, but something just ain't feel right. Like, it seemed like he trying to set the plays in motion, okay?
You can hire a bondsman for 25%, but it's a minimum of $100, isn't it?
But I don't have my people's number. Like,
We'll give you your phone. You'll get your phone. You'll get contacts. Yeah.
Cause like, my Wi-Fi is here.
Is that your phone on the hood? That was.
The one that,
Okay. All right. Is there any?
Not to crack it while you're pulling away from it.
I didn't know though. Like, I didn't know.
Girl, why are you getting mixed up with this stuff? You got a Pace softball hoodie on. Do you play softball for Pace? No.
No, it's one of my friends' hoodies.
Okay. All right, just hang tight.
No.
It's a trigger. Yes, it is. When somebody puts your hands on you, when somebody puts their hands on you like that, like, yeah, it's a trigger for me. Yes, it is.
Huh?
Beaver looks good on you, boo-boo. Oh, thanks. Can you get my mom's number from his phone?
I'll ask him.
And can you go to my house and ask him to go to my house, please?
I'll ask him. One sec.
I just need my phone. I just need my phone, that's it.
Hey, Tristan.
There you go. You look great.
I just need my phone, that's it.
I got your phone.
You got my phone?
Hold on.
The problem?
Yeah, your phone's somewhere. I gotta find it really quick. 1 sec. Hey, where's our phone at, Neff? Can you grab really quick?
But you gotta stop this mess, man. What's your court coming up for? I left the scene on accident. So I guess that's a mandatory court date. Yeah, that's Florida Highway Patrol. I'm guessing. I gotta drop my car off at the mechanic. That's what I should have did. It's messing up real bad. That's one of the reasons why I ain't left. My car's stuck.
Do you remember me? From arresting you back in like 2017? Back in the day when you were doing a bunch of shenanigans?
Oh yeah, I don't do that shit. Yeah, I just worry, that's it, man. I got a drug problem here and there, but I just worry.
What do you use?
I smoke weed. That's my guilty, you know.
I don't know how long you're back, but they messing with fentanyl and everything else down here, and it's stupid.
I don't do fentanyl.
People don't know that they're doing fentanyl. That's the problem. They're mixing with all different sorts of shit. So, Neff, you good with him? You good to get back in your car and get out of here, man? She got a phone in here somewhere?
Sure she does.
You hang out with her on a regular basis?
I just started hanging out with him for this day.
Matches my outfit.
Damn, my boy said he just started hanging with her a few days ago. He just started cracking it, boy. Ooh, he just started. He said, I don't even know her like that. He just started cracking it. Yeah. These kids, man. These kids are funny, man. Young, dumb, and full of cum. You know what I'm saying?
You look great.
Kayla was charged with obstructing an officer as well as her warrant for disorderly conduct from a month and a half ago. Her total cash bond was set at $1,500.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.